Need to install Windows 11 or repair your PC? In this quick and easy guide, I'll show you how to create a bootable USB flash drive for Windows 11 in under 5 minutes. Here's what you need before we start: a USB flash drive at least 8 GB, a working Windows PC, a stable internet connection. Step 1. Go to the official Microsoft website. I'll drop the link in the description. Scroll down and click on Download Now under the Create Windows 11 Installation Media section. Once the tool downloads, open it. Accept the license terms, and let's move to the next step. Select the language and edition, or just use the recommended settings. Next, choose USB flash drive and hit Next again. Select your USB from the list. Be careful, this will erase everything on the drive. Click Next and Windows will download and create the bootable installer automatically. Once it's done, you'll see a message saying your USB drive is ready. You can now use it to install or repair Windows 11 on any compatible PC. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below.